You've customized your invitations, and now you're ready to send them out. Let's go through your options. So this one's for a birthday video, but VidDay works for any special occasion. Here's how to invite everyone to join in. From your event page, click the Send Invites card. That's going to bring you to the invitation section. Then go to the invite options. Smart Invites keeps track of who submitted and automatically reminds anyone who hasn't contributed yet. You've got 3 ways to do it. First up, address book. You can connect your contacts with Google, Outlook, or even your Android phone. Just choose the contacts you want and send invites by email, text, or both. Next is single send. Great for smaller groups, you just add each person one at a time, quick and simple. And finally, upload CSV. If you have a spreadsheet of names, emails, or phone numbers, just upload it and send out all your invites in one go. If you'd rather invite people using your favorite messaging app, like WhatsApp, Messenger, or even just a group text, that's where Invite Link comes in. It's your own unique link that you can copy and share anywhere. VidDay even generates a ready-to-go message with your invite link included. There's also a helpful RSVP feature built into the invitation. When someone clicks your invite link, they'll see a quick RSVP option. This lets you know they plan on contributing to the video. And it's not just for keeping you in the loop. When someone RSVPs, VidDay sends them friendly reminders to submit their message before the due date. Anyone use Smart Invite or anyone who RSVPs will show up right here in your invite list. You'll see who's submitted already and who might need a little reminder. No guesswork, just everything in one place. And that's it. Start inviting people to join in your group video for any occasion, big or small.